Your tote called and it's ready for its summer replacement. Listen, it had a great spring, it carried your water bottle, your lip gloss collection, and whatever random receipt has been living at the bottom of it since March. But summer deserves a fresh start. Are we a pink bow summer, a gingham summer, a crochet coastal summer, or are we entering our tortoiseshell rich aunt on vacation era? The good news is there's a jelly tote for every personality. Beach days, pool days, farmers markets, girls trips, pretending you're going to read at the park. The jelly tote works for all of the above. These don't look like your average summer bag. A lot of totes fall into one of two categories. They're either practical, but not exactly cute, or they're cute until they encounter real life. A little water, problem. A little sand, problem. A little sunscreen leak, huge problem. But the Jelly Tote was clearly designed by someone who understands that summer can be messy. It's waterproof, which means that when you're sitting by the pool and someone inevitably splashes water everywhere, you're not panicking. When you're at the beach and your bag ends up next to wet towels or the tide's coming in a little too fast, you're fine. Or when your iced coffee starts sweating all over everything you own, you're also still fine. And maybe my favorite feature is how easy this is to clean. You tell yourself you'll keep it pristine, and then suddenly there's sand in places you didn't know sand could reach. Wipe it down with a wet cloth or toss it in the washing machine. No complicated cleaning instructions, just clean it and keep on having fun. Now let's talk about capacity, because I don't know who needs to hear this, but every summer tote review should answer one important question. Can it hold all the necessary and unnecessary things I'm absolutely gonna bring? The answer is yes. You can fit your beach towel, your water bottle, your sunscreen, your sunglasses, your phone, your wallet, your portable fan, a book you swear you're going to read, a second book just in case, and somehow you'll still have room left over. And that's important because every group has that one person carrying everything. And if you're watching this, there's a very good chance that it is you. And it has a tip-proof base for easy packing and no spilling, easy to carry comfortable straps, and a phone pouch to keep your favorite electronic in its own little section, kind of like the butter dish in the fridge. Now let's talk about summer destinations, because this bag is not a one location bag. Some bags are beach-only bags. Some bags are pool-only bags. Some bags look great in pictures, but don't really go anywhere. The Jelly Tote can do all of it. Beach day, perfect. Pool day, easy. Boat day, absolutely. Picnic, concert, outdoor movie nights, shopping days, girls trips, yes, 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 and yes. And that's honestly what makes a great summer tote. The hardest part isn't finding your summer tote. It's convincing yourself you only need one. New season, new tote, same you, but just refreshed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Get your summer tote.